Coughing canines can be concerning, but the causes are varied. Kennel cough, a contagious respiratory infection, often occurs in dogs who've been in close quarters with other pups. Heartworm disease, transmitted via mosquito bites, is another potential cause. Some small breeds are prone to a condition called collapsing trachea, leading to coughing during excitement or exercise. Other respiratory infections like pneumonia or bronchitis can also be the culprits. Even allergies to pollen, dust, or certain foods can instigate a cough. If your dog's coughing is persistent or accompanied by other worrisome symptoms, consulting your vet is crucial. They can diagnose the cause and recommend appropriate treatment. Occasional coughing might not be alarming, but it's always better to be safe when it comes to your furry friend's health.